Hello everyone, I'm Rakshana from Srinivas Institute of Technology, Mangalore. On the behalf of our workshop, Innovative Ideas, I'm Rakshana from AI Ideas Department, first year. My startup company is a LifeSync Innovation, and the product we are going to do is a face wash, and the product proposed name is Avaran. Mentioning some of the requirements that are feeling by taking the feelings of the customers during the empathizing activity. Harness the power of the nature with our face wash infused with botanical extracts and that cleanser soothing your skin naturally. And other customers said that designed for a sensitive skin, our face wash is gentle yet effective, providing a calm cleanse without irritation. And third one is transform your daily routine into a luxurious spa experience with our aromatic smoothing face wash. Let us move to the next slide. That is define. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings of requirements of a customers, many features are added to the existing name. And one of the feelings that was to name the product name, change the product name, and we change it into the Avanana. That is idea. Some of the additional features are also added and that are mentioned here. Eco-friendly packaging, and we are going to package of face wash with the eco-friendly materials, longer usability, variety of flavors were added, amount of foam will be reduced. Here is an imaginary picture of our product that is gonna drop soon. By your support, we'll sure go and do it a short time. And thank you. Keep us supporting.